Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am starting painting the Ducati. As you can see, everything is prepared for painting. Fuel tank. I am starting putting the firings to spray boot. So in a moment I will show you. And I have to think something how to paint the fuel tank because I don't have more brackets. Give me a second, I need to think something out. And the rest of the parts, fender and the carbon parts, I decided to paint on satin. When the Ducati will be red, the satin look of the carbon fiber look much better, cleaner, you know. Unless it will be looking ugly, I will repaint it. Okay guys, so now I am in the spray booth. It is a little bit loud here because I turn on the heat because we have winter time. So, well, as you can see, all the firings are on the brackets. I will wax and grease everything. I will use air and I will blow the dust. And I will start painting process. So, in a few steps I will show you how this looks like. Guys, everything is prepared. Now I will seal everything. Okay guys, so this is the old school painting style, I think. Maybe not. So I decide to paint the edges first, you see. So the paint is the coverage of the paint is very good because the sealer was pink. So one coat and this should be ready. Of course I will add two coats. But look, every corner I paint the fuel tank from this side. Now it have to dry and I will put the fuel tank. I will turn the fuel tank and I will paint this this side. Now I will put two coats of base. Two coats are on the panels. Everything is looking very nice. And now I will put two coats of clear, of course. So as you can see guys, the work continues. Now I am clear coating. Now I am putting two coats of clear. So guys, the firings are painted. Now I am starting assembly the motorcycle, and at this moment I am putting together the fuel tank, and I will put the fuel tank to the frame right now. Also, I was able to screw the windshield to the front firing, and I will install the front firing with the windshield right now. So guys, as you can see, the fuel tank is installed, the front fairing is installed also. Here are the firings, and as always I need to say something because something happened with the paint job and I need to redo it one firing. So something happened, I know what happened. It was a waterfall, you know. So sometimes shit happened, and I want to be honest with you guys, and I will also show you my mistake. So the firing is in the spray boot. Okay guys, so the firing is ready to paint. Hope this time will be no runs. I know. White color is okay, blue color is okay, orange color is okay, but Ducati from factory is red, I think. You cannot order the different color. That's why I decided to paint the Ducati to red color. And the white color was okay, but the paint job was ugly. It was a tough decision, but Ducati will be red. Okay, so I was able also to screw the fuel cap. I put this together temporarily because I need to fix the lock mechanism. The mystery is solved. The thing is that this lock is from I think different bike. For sure I need different key for this lock. That's why the lock doesn't work, and that's why the cable was disconnected. So I need to do something with that. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything is painted. I was able to put 2 coats. Now everything is curing. This satin, this matte clear need 20 minutes of cure time before baking. 5 minutes left, and I will show you this is the final effect. This was, I don't know why this cure much faster. Those carbon parts, fender is a little bit shine, but it is curing also. Cure time, baking, and I will start putting the Ducati back together. So guys, I am very happy. As you can see, I am doing the fitment, you know, because I didn't do this on the white firings, but now when everything is screw, I set the gaps and everything starting looking fine. This firing isn't screw, you know, in 100%, only to test fit. And same this side. Work in progress, but I need to stop doing the work because I am waiting for the screws from Ducati. I was able to order such a thing, quick, this is called quick connect or something, and that kind, those are the screws for the firings, you know. For the entire set from Ducati, you know what is the price? Guess what is the price? Write me in the comment. Guys, what do you think? How much those screws can cost in Ducati? For almost 20 bolts. 12, 20 such a small bolts. I will write in comment section this. Alrighty guys, the work continues. As you can see, the swing arm is painted. I think it came out really nice. Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice the money is missing. So I am happy with that. It's looking very nice. So now I will take the fender. Hop. And all I need to do is to screw 4 bolts. As you can see, one, 2, 3 and 4 is here. And as you can see also, I will show you the progress of repairing the Mercedes. So I prepared the fender, a little of correction here and there. Here a little bit bondo because here was a small hole. Doors are prepared also. Today I will sand it with 240, 320. I will apply another coat of primer, sand it with the 600, and that will be it. So that's the update. Why I cannot finish the Ducati? Because I am waiting still from parts from the dealership. So I was able to order the bolts, screws. I was ordering the screws, and I need to wait for them 10 to 14 days. And basically everything is prepared. Firings, wings. Alrighty guys, so the transformation is over. As you can see, I finished the Ducati. It was a nice project to do. I think everything came out really nice. So as you can see guys, everything looks very nice. Bike is ready now. It runs very well. I will launch it, but it will be loud here. Here is a soft, racing soft. Racing soft. So guys, this will be it in today's episode. I hope you like that kind of movie. I am happy that you saw this movie to the end, and we will mix in the next time. Bye guys.